Hey fans, it's Friday afternoon, about 5 o'clock. Pretty much haven't vlogged the entire week. It's just been one of those weeks, you know. But we are outside. Today is my husband's grandparents' 50th wedding anniversary. They've been married for 50 years.
Correction, our grandparents.
Oh, our grandparents' 50th
But yeah.
wedding anniversary. So we're taking them out to dinner. Us and his brother, us and my brother-in-law, we're gonna go to dinner and just spend a little bit of time with them. 50 years of marriage, that's honestly crazy.
It is.
My parents celebrate 30 years this year, so it's just kind of cool to see like just the different stages of anniversaries and these milestones. It's really cool to celebrate. So we are at Papado's by request from Grandma. It's an early dinner, it's about 5 o'clock, but we're gonna go and just eat a little bit of food. It's gonna be interesting because I do not eat any seafood. So I'll be eating French fries. No, I'll find something to eat. And yeah, we'll check in during dinner.
Happy Friday. That's the weekend. Pretty busy weekend, but it should be fun. Looking forward to it.
Yes. Definitely do have a lot planned this weekend. Not really. We actually have plans this weekend, which is very rare for us. So we'll bring you guys along throughout our festivities, our activities. And yeah, we'll check in a little bit.
That look good. Go. Enjoying a nice evening.
We came out to the city walk.
Nice weather. Just showed my grandparents it for the first time, so that was cool. They enjoyed it. And yeah, we just enjoying the nice view. It smells like pretzels.
Okay, yeah, pretzels. Yeah, so we're just chilling, walking, enjoying the weather. It is actually really nice out. So I don't know what the next thing we're gonna do is. I kind of want some desserts. Donut or?
I like a little lemon.
Another?
Yeah.
Okay. Not too bad. Box is secured. Alright friends, we got our Crumbl cookie and we're headed home. Gonna just be a chill night, so we'll see you guys there. Wait, I feel like you need to come closer to the light. Okay, alright friends, so we are going to try Crumbl cookies. We got 4 cookies, so we got 2 lemonade flavor because we really like lemonade, or lemon and lemonade.
Yeah. Both.
This is fried ice cream and chocolate chip.
It's cool how they put real lemon on there.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
I mean, I want lemon.
Lemon?
Are we supposed to try all of these?
No, I mean these two are the same.
Okay, yeah, I want lemon.
Wow, it's pretty. You want to eat the lemon?
No.
Okay.
Thanks. Which one are you gonna try? Are you trying the same one?
Yeah, lemonade. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. It's like sour, but sweet. It's like the perfect ratio. I'm supposed to just taste it.
Couldn't even say anything. It's really good. It's actually really good. It's pretty thick. It is sour and sweet at the same time. I'm gonna stop after this bite because I need some water. It's so sweet. Damn, that's really good.
Okay.
It's like the perfect softness.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
That's
like a
9. 9.2. Okay. Next, let's try the fried ice cream. I can't even picture what this is gonna be like. Looks like a peanut butter cookie. You don't like peanut butter, huh?
No.
I'll cut a small piece.
It was cool. It was good.
Okay, here's how the... Oh, shoot. Cheers. Fried ice cream.
It's not bad.
Okay, so it's not a peanut butter cookie.
At all. It's actually really good.
I can't even tell. I'm like trying to figure it out.
I'm trying to think. At first I was like a little graham crackerish, but
It kind of reminds me of like a churro. But not really. I don't know. It's good. It's kind of light. I give it a 7.5.
I'll probably give it a. Honestly, I'll probably give it an 8. I like it.
The last one we're gonna try is the chocolate chip, which we've both already had.
Yeah.
And we know we like.
They're always good though.
But it's just classic. Because we got 2 of the same, we're only gonna be trying 3. Cheers.
Cheers.
Paul's getting all my crumbs.
It's really good. I mean, it's a classic. It's like the perfect softness.
It's so sweet though.
It's so sweet, so soft. Like if you just put it in milk, you gotta take it out in 2 seconds.
It's
That's
so
how
good.
soft it
Yeah,
is.
this is the kind that like a bite is like all you need because it's that rich.
It's perfect.
For a chocolate chip cookie, this is like a 9 out of 10.
I agree. Because I'm not the biggest chocolate chip fan.
I
But when
know.
they're that soft and they're that sweet,
Let's rate them. My favorite number 1 is the lemonade, and then the chocolate chip, and then the fried ice cream.
lemonade is definitely one for me. What was the other one?
Fried ice cream.
I gotta go with the fried ice cream second, and then chocolate chip.
It's been so long since we've had Crumbl, so this is a real treat. It's probably been since we were in Phoenix.
Really? I
At
think-
least 2 years ago. So good. I'm excited. We're gonna be nibbling on these all week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're gonna wrap it up right now. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Hope you guys enjoyed. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Oh my gosh, our dogs got shots today. Our boys got shots today.
I'm looking at those cookies. That's all they care about.
Okay, so we are signing off. We'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.
Peace.